If the Wi-Fi switch is grayed out on your iPhone, there are always a couple of possibilities. Either it's a hardware problem, or just a minor firmware glitch. What you can do is to rule out the latter. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if the Wi-Fi switch is grayed out on your iPhone 7. First solution, reset the network settings. The first thing that you have to do is rule out the possibility that it's because of some issues with the network services of your iPhone. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Second solution, factory reset your iPhone. If the first solution failed, then it's possible that it's a firmware issue that affected your device's network functions. Back up your important files and follow these instructions to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Now enter your Apple ID's password and touch Erase to reset your device. Wait until the reset is complete and set up your iPhone as a new device. If it can't connect to the network due to a disabled Wi-Fi switch, then schedule an appointment at the Genius Bar. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.